Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to try some Pinterest inspired graphic eyeliner looks. So without wasting any time, let's start with the first look. So this one is the first look. Let's start. As you can see, it's not so clean, but okay. Yeah, so let's move to the second look. This one. So it's completed. Now let's move to the third look. This one. Thank you for watching guys. As you can see that मुझसे भी उतने neatly नहीं हुआ, so I'll try more. So bye bye for now. See you soon.